I was called to replace a broken window. Luckily, it was double pane and only the outside was broken. The trim right there will have to be removed. It hides the gap between the rough opening and the window. The trim is on both sides, it's reused, and it can break easily, so I try to be as careful as possible with it. There's also this piece of wood at the top that will have to be removed as well. Sometimes I reuse it and sometimes I don't. At this point, the window is ready to come out and the new one to be put in. I make sure the window is level and square using shims, but most importantly that the window will open and shut. The window is then secured with screws which are provided, and pilot holes through the window jamb let you know where they go. Now it's time to put the trim back. I would usually use my DeWalt brad nailer, but I didn't have it, so just reuse the nails that were there. The window seal is slanted down, so that causes a gap on the outside. It comes with a plastic piece that snaps into the window to hide that gap. The last thing you do is caulk the window inside and out, and you're done.